Most people think their biggest enemy is failure, but the real enemy is something far quieter, something that looks harmless, something that feels safe, and that is your own comfort zone. It doesn't hurt you suddenly, but its impact is real and it will hurt you silently. Hi, I'm Shantanu. Welcome to the Learning Room. Let's discuss about the comfort zone and its impact on your career. Your comfort zone is a cozy trap. It gives you routine, but it will steal your growth. It will give you safety, but it will block your potential. Even it will give you predictability, but it will limit your opportunities. Here's the shocking truth. If someone does not challenge you, it cannot change you. Every skill you admire in others, like confidence, communications, leadership skills, those are built through discomfort only. Growth doesn't happen by accident. Growth happens by intention and practice. Your comfort zone become your enemy for three big reasons. Let's discuss. Number one, it lies to you. It says, stay here, it's easier. But easier is not equal to better. Number two, it protects you from your weaknesses. As long as you stay comfortable, your fears stay alive, untouched, and unchallenged. Your comfort zone will never allow you to challenge your fear. Number three, it limits your opportunity. Every person has two versions, which is they today and which they want to become. The best version of you live to the other side of the difficulty. But if you don't take that first step, you will never meet that version. Think of a hotel employee who avoids speaking to the guests because they feel shy. Day after day, they avoid conversation that would help them improve, which they misses every day. But the another colleague with the same nervousness, they pushes themselves and greet the guest with smile. They try to start the conversation, no matter the language and the quality of communication skills they have. Now you tell me who grows, who become more confident, and who become the future material for the supervisors. Obviously, not the person who wants to stay comfortable. If you want to change and come out from the comfort zone, you don't need to make a dramatic jump. Growth happens with a small and consistent discomfort. Try this. Speak up in a meeting, ask questions, try new skills, volunteer something new. A course, a book, a new tool, even a communication skill. There are many things to help you out. Always remember, mistakes means you are trying. If you are trying, you are growing. Every small win counts. Your comfort zone feels safe, but nothing new grows there. Your future, your potential, your next opportunities, even your better life, these all live outside that comfort zone. So take a step, a small one, then another and another. Because the moment you choose growth over comfortability, your life begins to change. Your comfort zone is your biggest enemy, but always remember, your courage is your superpower.